Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is your host Raj from your very own favorite show. Well, the maritime life of Karachi is blessed with a beautiful coastline with enormous natural resources. Well, utilizing this coastline, an interesting sport is played, fishing. Well, fishing is played with a keen interest along the coastline of Karachi. And to talk about more, I have with me Syed Aziz Agha, the CEO of the Agha Sports Club and the representative of International Game Fishing Association in Pakistan. So we'll talk to Agha Saab and learn more about fishing. तो आइए चलते हैं आगा साहब से बात करते हैं. So viewers, I have with me Sir Syed Aziz Agha, who is the founder president of the Kingfishers Club and representing the International Game Fishing Association in Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalamu. I'm doing okay.
Sir, tell me about the fishing sport.
I've been into sport fishing for about 3.5 decades, 35 years, and Karachi has a lot of potential, a good future. Unfortunately, not any support from the government, but other than that, the sport seems to be going okay. बहुत enthusiasts हैं, a lot of people are interested. Karachi has such a wonderful shoreline कि इतना अल्लाह ने हमें नवाजा है और such a nice, beach area and unexploited
Coastline.
And the variety of game fish is phenomenal. And when I got into sport fishing and we started catching different species of fish, I realized कि भाई यहाँ इतने अक़साम की मछलियाँ हैं and the variety is unbelievable. And then very soon we realized that our game fishing can compare with any big game fishing destination in the world. Because the variety is so great.
That's right.
We have marlins, we have sharks, we have mackerels, we have tunas, we have barracudas, barramundi, threadfin, pompanos, queenfish. क्या नहीं है हमारे पास.
नहीं है ज़बरदस्त. अच्छा, what about the sport fishing basically? मतलब like you told me अभी कि किस तरह like you play this game.
Sport fishing, देखिए game fishing is fishing for sport. That's why it's called sport fishing. ठीक है ना? A game fish वो मछली है which puts up a game when it is hooked. मछली पकड़ते हैं वो ज़रा it doesn't surrender. जोर दिखाती है ना. So you got to
pull it up, right?
Before it surrenders, it gives a game. That's why it's called game fishing. ठीक है ना? बड़ा adventurous sport है. And it brings a lot of joy. You are in the outdoors, away from the city life. बच्चे आज के नौजवान आप देखें ना, कंप्यूटर में घुसे हुए हैं, कमरा बंद किए हुए अपना कंप्यूटर देख रहे हैं. उससे कहीं बेहतर है आप खुली आबो हवा में आप जाके ताज़ा मछली पकड़ रहे हैं, बोट पे पका रहे हैं, खा रहे हैं. हेल्दी स्पोर्ट. एक तो आपके हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, जहन के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. नेचर, यू आर क्लोज टू नेचर. क्लोजनेस टू नेचर इज क्लोजनेस टू गॉड.
अच्छा, मतलब आपने बताया मुझे you're related with this like 35 years ago you started fishing. तो मतलब 35 years में you had lot of experiences while fishing. तो कोई interesting मुझे बताएं जो ऐसा experience आपका हुआ हो while fishing in the mid sea or deep sea या भी fishing.
We've had some very interesting observations. समुद्र में जाते जाते suddenly we observed कि भाई ये कोई game fish तो नहीं है, कुछ और चीज़ नज़र आ रही है मुझे. So what is it? Then we saw it is blowing out of the blowhole. We realized it's a whale. मैंने कहा भाई whale मछली कराची में. पहली दफ़ा जब देखे तो हमारे साथ एक जर्मन टूरिस्ट था. Because I'm also a fishing guide. I take the tourists out fishing. तो वो कहने लगा भाई फिशिंग सब बंद करो. Let's do whale watching. I mean, imagine whale watching in Karachi. No one would believe. 8 इक़साम की whale कराची आती है. 8. Can you imagine? We've got the second biggest whale in the world, the fin whale. It comes to Karachi. And every year we see them.
तो कराची में where it is exactly मतलब
you can even see it sometimes from Hawke's Bay, Paradise Point. आप देख सकते हैं. If you observe closely, you will realize कि भाई ये जो धुआं सा निकल रहा है, it is the whale blowing out of the blowhole.
Exactly. So what about sharks?
हमारे यहाँ sharks हैं. I was fishing with my wife once. आप कह रहे हैं ना what are the good things? Suddenly we saw something finning on the surface. It was the basking shark. We did not know. I said, boat करीब ले जाओ. जब करीब ले गया, the fish went down and swam right across. किमाड़ी boat से दुगनी उसकी size थी. So it was just swam right underneath our boat. जैसे वो अलिफ लैला की कहानी, a fish just going by. It was the basking shark, the whale shark. It is considered the biggest.
Second biggest.
हाँ.
The second biggest shark.
ठीक
Alright.
है.
अच्छा, एक स्पोर्ट्स फिशिंग क्लब के बारे में I would like to ask something about your fishing club. मतलब of course you've been organizing events.
जी.
So different kind of events. So what are those events which you organize?
देखिए मैं आपको बताऊं, 1984 जुनून की हद तक शौक हो गया था. We formed the Kingfishers Club in 1984.
84.
In 1984. उसके बाद I was appointed there. You know, game fishing is